Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a quick video on how I achieved the zombie look that I had for Halloween. This is my very first time playing with, I guess, Halloween makeup or doing the whole Halloween makeup thing. So I did my very best doing this in a very short amount of time. So right now, I actually found a YouTube video that kind of explained this, but again, I had like half an hour to get ready and record this. So as you can see, I'm starting off with just some Elmer's glue. I like this because I mean, we all know Elmer's glue, like it's super easy to just take off. So I'm just pasting that on my neck right now. And I did a couple of layers to this. Like I let it dry and just kept applying. Okay, so this next method, you can see that I'm just ripping up a small piece of toilet tissue. So the YouTube video that I seen, she said that you can just dab, the tissue on with like a little bit of water, which is what I ended up doing. However, I found that when it would dry, it didn't really stick. So you're gonna see me do this at least about 3 times. I'm just trying to figure it out as I go. And then I realized the third time, let me just put glue. So you're gonna see it, like I said, a couple of times until I realize the water just didn't work for me personally. Okay, so right here, I'm ripping, or I'm trying to at least rip neatly, just like a line down this tissue. This is where I want, I guess, like the blood effect to kind of like run down my face. But yeah, I end up redoing this, but just to let you know why I'm, doing that little separation part. You guys. So at this point, I'm just vexed, okay? Like I said from the beginning, like you were gonna see me do this at least 3 times. So at this point, I'm just super frustrated. You're gonna see me trying to put the tissue back on my face and then applying glue on top. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why I didn't do this method the same way I did my neck, which was glue first, then tissue, glue, tissue, glue, tissue, and I just layered it like that. I don't know, but this was my last time. I finally got it right right after this when I did the glue first. And also, your girl was multitasking like crazy. I'm in the middle of a Zoom baby shower right now, trying to record this video. And I think I had like 10 minutes left to get ready. I didn't even have my outfit on. You can see my family going back and forth because we're all getting ready to go to a haunted house. So there's a lot going on. All right. So this is the fun part, right? Actually making it come to life now. So now we're just adding foundation to all this, blob of tissue and glue. You guys, this is, I said this before, but I didn't prep to do this, before recording. This is literally my first time doing this on camera with you guys. So it's definitely I'm learning as I go. Now I know what not to do and what to do next time. So next year for Halloween, your girl's about to slay. I definitely think I slayed this look at the end of it, especially it being my first time. And let me know what y'all think down below. Don't be too harsh, okay? And again, as I mentioned, I'm in the middle of a Zoom baby shower, so that's why you see my brother going back and forth and you see me, looking down and laughing. Okay, so even though this looks crazy, this was actually really fun for me. So right now, as you can see, I'm just slicing it down the middle. The type of vibe that I'm going for is as if someone, slashed my neck. So that's why I'm cutting it down the middle and just, trying to make an open space. And right here, I'm just adding a little bit more Elmer's glue just to seal that space that I just slit. Bow. So as you can see, I already added a little bit of red makeup to the areas that I want to appear as if they were, slashed or cut. So I'm just kind of going over it again. And I love the tissue effect because it gives like a wrinkle, like burned, maybe, I don't know, like there's been some damage to, the skin because I got slit, right? That's why, I guess that's why they use tissue. So I'm just going over that now. You can see I kind of added a little extra black around my eye. I think I was going for like a zombie doctor or a zombie nurse. I don't know, I was just having fun. Didn't really have a costume, so I wanted to play with some makeup. Okay, so right here, I'm not even gonna lie, I was kind of nervous, you guys. So you see me scooting up to the mirror, like I'm trying so hard not to stab myself right now. But so the look that I was going for was to make it appear as if someone, sewed or stitched my neck back together. So I found some white thread, and I'm just kind of trying to, sew the tissue skin. Back and forth to give it that effect. So I thought I was just about done, but then I kind of felt like something was missing. So I decided to add a little bit of white makeup, or white paint, I guess, just to give me a ghost zombie type of dead look. Again, remember, I'm going for a zombie type nurse or a zombie doctor of some sort. So I'm just adding it all around to my face right now. Bam! So I put my scrubs on and I got some blood. So I'm just going over the red areas with the blood. I actually forgot that I had blood, so that's actually why I used red makeup before. So I'm just going over that red, makeup to give it that blood effect. And right here, I just spilled some on the carpet, so that's what that reaction was. Y'all, so this right here is where I messed up. So I'm applying the blood over the red, right? Not realizing in the moment, I don't even think I noticed it here, to be honest, but I'm covering up the thread also. I was so disappointed after. I was just like, ugh, I really liked that thread effect that I did. And I risked my life. I'm just kidding. I kind of did, but yeah, I was really disappointed. Okay, so this is where I'm trying to finesse the mistake that I made. So I'm adding some white paint on top of the string just to kind of, like I said, finesse the error that I made. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I think I did a pretty good job for my first time. You can definitely see the neck lifting just a little bit at the top. If you guys have any like tips or tricks on how to blend that better, I don't know if I should have added maybe a little bit more glue. I'm not sure, but definitely drop a comment below. But yeah, I look very scary. A little rough, you know, definitely giving zombie vibes. But again, this is the look that I was going for. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think below. Thank you so much for watching.